Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying to get myself together, y'all. I have been rocking these braids for over 2 months now, going on 3 months. I was rocking some crochet faux locks, which I did take out, but I just haven't had the energy or motivation to take the actual braids out. So this is what I've been working with, and if I'm being completely honest, they are starting to bud, like especially in the middle where my hair is a bit more coarse. So I know it's time. Like I know I need to take them out, just haven't had the energy to do it. So on this particular day though, I did need to put myself together and look somewhat decent. I just used some Eco Styler gel to put my hair up into a bun, and I put a little bit of extra around my hairline, and then what I did is just twisted that front row, each of the individual braids, so that it looked kind of like a retwist, you know, like what you would do with actual locks. And I just smoothed it all back into a bun, put on my scarf, and tied it down to set. I did also put a little bit of edge control on and kind of did some swoops in the front. And then I moved on to my DIY ponytail, which all I used is a pack of faux locks from Made Beauty and a mesh drawstring piece. So I usually have a few of these laying around because you guys know I make wigs and hair accessories and stuff, but I'll put a link down below if you want to check out either one of these. And then I just used a crochet hook. I pushed the crochet hook through the mesh and looped the faux lock around it, pulled the loop through just barely on the other side, put the crochet hook back through the mesh piece, and then pulled the tail end of the faux lock all the way through. And then I just put the tail end through the loop and pulled it really tight just to secure it. And I did that 60 times. I knew that I had 50 braids in my hair, so I wanted to sort of try to match the density to make it look, you know, a bit more realistic. I know it wasn't going to look perfect, but I still wanted to match the density. So by the time I was done, my hair was set, took off my scarf, and I added some of those little, you know, the gold braid clips. I put some of those sporadically throughout my ponytail, and then I also put a few sporadically around the faux lock ponytail. And then I just put the ponytail over my bun, pulled the drawstring tight, wrapped the cord around, and secured it with a bobby pin. And that was that. So yeah, I know it didn't turn out perfect, but I still wanted to bring it to you guys because I think the idea is there. I think it's a nice cheat code for faux locks if you're already rocking mini braids or mini twists. So yeah, hopefully you found this somewhat helpful / creative, sparks something inside of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.